Alright, so you can see a demo device on my hand. This is Vivo V40e. So it's playing video, and the upper right corner you can see the demo icon. So it's clearly a demo device. Now we are going to settings, and look, it's Android 15, the latest Android version, and FunTouch OS 15 also. So now we are unlock this device officially and permanently. No need to open your phone, no need to any tools. Just simply we remove the demo device. So first you have to visit my website fixfarmer.com, and then click the search button and write Vivo demo, and then hit enter. And now you can see a result, the official method to unlock demo device on Vivo. And scroll down and you can see a QR code. You have to scan the QR code on your phone, on your demo phone. Then you will get a apps download link. You have to install the application first, and you have to see the supported model list here. Lots of models supported this method, and also mention which countries device supported. There have some Chinese device, USA, India, international variant. So you check if your device is supported. If your phone have this list, then you can directly message me on my WhatsApp to get the password. Now we're showing what's the next step after download the application. So I am download the application. Scroll down the notification bar and open the QR scanning, and scan the QR code which you get on the website. And after that, a website will open, and download the last application from this list. Sometimes you show only one application, so that's the easy, you can download which is available. And it's downloading now. Okay, so after download you simply install it. Now open. All right, so there is asking the password, and you have to pay for this. So if you want this password to unlock, then you must have to contact me on my WhatsApp. So I just already put the code, and it's showing demo mode disable. The phone is restart now. So a very simple process. If you just get the password from us, then just put it and click the unlock button, and it will be unlocked. So this is very easy and simple process to do. No hassle, no need to open the phone, no need to drilling the CPU, no need to make ISP, no hassle. If you are a user, just take the password from us and simply unlock it. So wait a moment, the phone is rebooting, and after that we check it's unlocked or not. Okay, so the phone is open now. Yeah, so the upper right corner, there is no demo icon. If your phone still have the demo, then you will show it. So it's totally unlocked. Now we check again from the settings. That's the same device. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tata.